Hey YouTube! So we're back again. This time we went to Farmington Dragway, which is another 8th mile track. But this time Orange Julius went even faster than it did a couple of weeks prior. I can't wait in a few weeks to get down to Rockingham Dragway to test my car out on a quarter-mile track. But knowing that my car has not reached its full potential leads me to believe that I will be in the low 10s on that quarter-mile track. Anyway, here are some of my testing tunes. Take a look. First run, 6.82 seconds. Already 0.2 seconds faster than it was a couple of weeks ago. Once again, 6.82 seconds. After a couple of runs, I decided to enter a competition, which was a streetcar competition, and it's bracket racing. So the time that I saw, which was 6.82 seconds going down the 8th mile track, that's what I used as my time to let the tower know that I should cross that line at 6.82 seconds. What I did not know in bracket racing was that you cannot go faster than the time that you tell them. However, before you go down the lane, you can change your time. Anyway, all of this I found out after I got kicked out of the competition because I kept going faster and faster than 6.8 seconds. Take a look. First round was good, 6.81 seconds. I'll move on to the second round. Come on, dog. Second round, 6.74 seconds. I'm a 1/10 of a second faster and I could not be happier. So I got kicked out after the second round because I went faster than 6.8 seconds. It was what it was. I tried to do the buy-in, but at this point in time, my video cut out. So I do not have that last race, but I did do 6.6 seconds. So I bought in, went even faster, and still got kicked out again. So, like I said, once I am able to actually know the full potential of my car, it will determine the races that I compete in, as well as the times I know that I'll run down the race. So I don't have to worry about having to slow down or speed up or try to play the numbers game. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.